Rzrxp 1000 Yoshimura edition. Some tree kickers. Steering wheel, tilt steering, sliding adjustable seats, digital gauge, got a nice compartment, glove box, plenty of storage. Change your oil, has a little panel in the middle. Let's get to the fun stuff. This thing's about 64 inches wide. That's right, 64 inches wide. LEDs in the front, projector lights. Look at that ground clearance. What's amazing about this unit, the way that it sounds. Yoshimura did a good job, even LEDs on the back. Yoshimura. Sounds pretty mean. This unit is ready for riding. You have the Walker Evans shocks. Evans Racing shocks. Good man. Any kind of maintenance, makes it easy on the trail. Air box, spark plugs, everything, easy access. Just snaps right on. We'll make our way up here to the front. Accessories with a Polaris is very easy to lock and ride and install. These are your connections. Radiator cooled, liquid cooled. You'll notice right here on the shocks right here, you have a little turn dial. You can dial it in softer or stiffer suspension based on rider preference. This top snaps on. What I love about this though is just the simplicity. It's very rider friendly, one-handed. Battery, fuses up under the seat. It's a nice 3-point seat belt. Little attachments, put some Pro Armor 5-point harnesses on the back, built in. See these little pieces? There she is, 2016 Rzrxp 1000 XP. All right, there she is.